Hi everyone, ready to boost your English skills? Today, we'll be learning some key words about drinks. Let's begin. Water. Water. Say the word with me. Water. Water. Tea. Tea. Let's practice. Say the word with me. Tea. Tea. Coffee. Coffee. Let's say the word together. Coffee. Coffee. Milk. Milk. Say the word with me. Milk. Milk. Juice. Juice. Now try repeating that word one more time. Juice. Juice. Soda. Soda. Repeat after me. Soda. Soda. Beer. Beer. Let's practice. Say the word with me. Beer. Beer. Wine. Wine. Say the word with me. Wine. Wine. Smoothie. Smoothie. Great! Now try repeating that word one more time. Smoothie. Smoothie. Lemonade. Lemonade. Repeat after me. Lemonade. Lemonade.
You did amazing. Let's review. Test your memory on drink vocabulary. What's this drink called?
Tea. Tea.
Do you know what this is?
Water. Water.
What do we call this in English?
Coffee. Coffee.
What's the name of this drink?
Milk. Milk.
And what's this drink called?
Juice. Juice.
And do you know what this is?
Soda. Soda.
What's the name of this drink?
Beer. Beer.
Do you know what this is?
Wine. Wine.
What's the name of this drink?
Smoothie. Smoothie.
What's this drink called?
Lemonade. Lemonade. Great job today. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.